Hey guys, it's Wyatt from Cousin's Kitchen, back with another video. Today, we're going to be making a chocolate cake in a cup. So, first, what you need is, all your ingredients, a cup, a microwavable cup, a tablespoon, and a microwave. So, let's get right into it. First, we need to mix the dry stuff. So, here's our cup. So first we need our flour. So we're going to take our flour. We need 3 tablespoons of this. Make sure it's very precise. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're done with our flour. Put our flour to the side. Then we're going to take our sugar. We need 3 tablespoons of sugar. So, we're going to open up our sugar. One. 2. 3. Alright, so now that we're done with the sugar, we need to move on to our cocoa powder. So, we need 2 tablespoons of our cocoa powder. This is what gives it that chocolate look and taste. So, I need to open that up. One, 2. Okay, no more cocoa powder. Set that back off to the side. Now we need our salt. So this is optional, you don't have to have this. Now we need 1 pinch of salt. Okay, now we need our baking powder. Baking powder is what makes it light and fluffy. So it says optional in the recipe, but you should really just use it anyway, because this is what makes it fluffy and more cake-like. So, we got our baking powder. So we need to mix this up. You can use a tablespoon. Just mix it in. Once it's mixed in, it'll look more of like a lighter brown than what the cocoa powder is. That's what it looks like. So we're going to put this back here. Now we need to get out our wet ingredients. So for our wet ingredients, we have 1 egg. 1 egg. What is it? We have a local egg donut or whatever. And then, so cracker egg. Oh, that's a crack. That was a big egg. Okay, throw that away. Then we need to wash our hands. Okay, so we got our egg in there. Now we need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're using olive oil because that's what we have. We don't have vegetable oil. So we need 2 big tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. 1. This makes it so it doesn't stick when you bake it. 2. So that you can get it out easily. Try to get all of that in there. Okay, done with this. Now we need our milk. We need 2 tablespoons of milk too. Now that we've got that, that's 1, 2. So we got our 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we need our vanilla and chocolate chips. You don't have to have chocolate chips, but that you just wanted to put that in there. So we got our vanilla, and then we're gonna whisk it all together. Then we need to put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Okay, there's our vanilla. It says a splash of vanilla, but I just use half of a cup, and this used to be like a syrup jar. So now let's put some chocolate chips in. And first, we need to whisk that up. Whoa, that was everywhere. Make sure your egg is nice and mixed in there, because you don't want a yolk just sitting in your chocolate cake. That would be disgusting. So when we're done mixing this up, we need to put our chocolate chips in, and we need to put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's almost done mixing. Make sure you scrape down the sides to see if you got any flour stuck in there still. Sometimes the flour likes to stick to the sides. Mix it some more. And this does double in size when you put it in the microwave, so just keep that in mind when you're making it. Okay, so when you set this off to the side, just set it on here. And we need to add our chocolate chips. This is about all the chocolate chips I'm using, so I'm not using a whole lot. So I just put these in, and we're going to mix those in, because we don't want just one big bite full of just chocolate chips. We don't want to space it out. So we need to put that into the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. While that's in there, we're going to tie this back up. We're going to get our whipped cream out, which is what we're going to put on the top. I made that before the video. So I'm going to get that out of the fridge. I'm going to chop up a few chocolate chips for a garnish. So I'm going to go grab the whipped cream. Okay, so I'm going to pipe it out onto the cake. So for that, if you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a Ziploc bag, which works perfectly as good, and you just cut a little hole. Cut a little hole in the bottom, one of the bottom corners, and then that is basically your piping bag. Works just as well as if you had an actual piping bag. Jeez. My butt. We get a spoon so we can spoon that into here. Okay, we got our scissors to cut the hole, so I'm going to take a spoon and a bowl of whipped cream and just spoon it into the bag. It's not very good. It's not very good. It's not a very clean scoop. But it's alright. When you're cooking, being messy isn't always a bad thing. So we need to get all of that out. I found this recipe for the cake on Pinterest. So if you're ever bored and you want to find something to cook, you can either just Google something or you can use Pinterest. Okay. So that was our cake getting done, but we need to finish this. Finish getting this ready. Okay, so we need to cut. Just need to cut a little hole down at the bottom. Jeez, this bag is just not cooperating today. Throw that away. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to get a cutting board out and a chocolate chip. Using a big chocolate chip would be better, or even just like a Hershey bar or something, like one of the small Hershey bars would work too. So we put, that's probably too many, but I'll take that. Take that, we need a knife. Gather these up. Here, I'm just gonna go like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just kind of want like these little chips right there. That's going to make an excellent garnish on top of the whipped cream. You're just going to sprinkle it around on top of the whipped cream. And just keep chopping this up. We're actually going to have a taste tester for this. My mom is going to be taste testing it for you guys. Okay. I'm just going to there we go. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna set this off to the side. Let's grab our cake out of the microwave. So this is what the cake looks like. See that, how that olive oil and vegetable oil separated it from the side so it doesn't stick? That's what you're looking for. We're going to take our Ziploc bag full of whipped cream. I'm just going to... I'm not very good at this at all. I'm very bad at that. That is not good. There, that doesn't look as bad. Let's finish it. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how we use this. So I'm gonna take, just like, put that on top of your knife. And just go like that. And be careful, the cup is kind of hot once it comes out of the microwave. See, look at that. That looks so good. Looks super good. So take this, we need a fork. Got a fork. Put a fork in there. I think that's it. That's the final look. That's the final. Okay, I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. We're on the road to 50 subscribers. Please help us get there. See you next time. Bye.